How's it, legends? Good day and welcome to the first renovation video of the 2026-2027 season. Okay, what's the plan, guys? In this video we will kind of scalp and scarify this bent, which is now almost half kikuyu lawn. Just have a look, man. So I don't know if it's visible, but not a lot of bent. Like that's bent and then a lot of kikuyu, which I've decided just to leave. We're going to scalp this down and then scarify it. And then in the next video, the aeration, and then maybe top dress, but definitely aeration. We're going to go all out with the aeration. And then 100% we're going to talk about the things that went right on this lawn. Guys, a couple of things that I've never noticed, and then a year after planting the bent here, I realized, well, why is it better than the rest of my lawns? And we're going to talk about those secrets, maybe in the next video. Hey, so we pull out the Rolux rotary mower here, mense. That's going to be lekker. We're going to cut down or lightly scalp this bent / kikuyu lawn. Let's put some petrol. That's a first. I didn't spill any. Full throttle. Lowest setting. Oh, you know, the lowest doesn't even feel like it's touching the grass. Maybe we'll go below the lowest. Oh, there it's touching. Hold on. Oh yes. Oh yes. Oh, yeah. Oh, and a backfire. It's cutting it down. Slight tear up scalp there. Okay guys, this is the results. Just have a look. It's actually looking quite nice. Obviously light scalpings everywhere. This is a bent section, and then like that is a kikuyu section. So maybe not as low as I wanted to go, but it is what it is. And now out comes the YT6702 with the Verticutting blades. And we're going to send it, guys. We're going to go to, I think, -10 and just rip it. Oh, nice. Just have a look, guys. A lot of material came up. Geez, pretty thinned out. You know, it wasn't cut too short to start with, but a lot of material. Not too sure whether I should come just with a rake and rake everything up, or just come with a rotary mower and try and pick everything up with a mower. And the YT6702 just never disappoints, guys. Alright, so that went really lekker. Just have a look, you can see that like the groove lines, not very straight though, of the Scarifier. I could have maybe added another step and come with a real mower and really like shave the soil, take every single leaf blade off this lawn. But honestly speaking, this wasn't the worst lawn. It wasn't so thick that nothing could come through. But guys, if you want a nice lawn, you follow these steps. It's crucial to open up the soil so that the water and whatever, the air, the oxygen, very, very important, can actually come through the leaf blade and access the soil. And then the next video will be accessing the soil, and that will be aeration. It's crucial steps. We're going to talk about all the benefits, from microbes to water to fertilizer, all those things that can be reduced if you do these things right, once or maybe twice a year, or really just bare minimum once a year. Put in the hard work. You're gonna reap the rewards. You're gonna pluck the vrugte, mense. Guys, that's gonna be it from my side. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate each and every one of you, all the online shoppers. Really appreciate you. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and bye bye.